Namaste friends, welcome to Arogyani. My name is Pooja Shah. Sitting for hours and hours at one place because of work or any other reason, or tend to have some wrong postures in our spine, in our back muscles, we create some pain in our spinal cord or the discomfort in our back. So today's video is focused on our back muscles and the spinal cord of our back, so we can improve the health of our spinal cord and muscle of our spine. People who suffers from cardiac problems or injury in the spine area or arthritis or any other severe problems in our health, please contact your doctor or a yoga therapist, or you can definitely contact me at the given below number or the email address. Some of the precondition we need to focus on: empty stomach or 2 to 3 hours gap between your practice and your meal, use comfortable clothing and well-ventilated room.
Open your hips and put both the legs on the mat. Take your abdomen a little back. Roll your shoulders up and down and back. Hands over your thighs. Focus and gently close your eyes. Your complete focus over your spine and your breathing. Complete focus over your spine and sit upright. No arching in your back. Make sure your complete focus starting from your cervical till your tailbone. Now sit in Vajrasana. Slowly open your knees and lower the body towards the toes and let the buttocks rest on the feet. Put palms on the floor and walk down with the help of your palms. Put your chest, chin on the floor and stay here. Let your spine be straight and try to go down as much as possible. From here, walk back with your palms and gently take your knees in the position. Now next, we'll do cat and cow position. Your shoulders in line with your wrist and hips in line with your knees. Knees are hip distance apart. Inhaling, look up and arch back. And exhaling, hunch. Repeat some steps here. Do this couple of times. That relieves tension of whole spine starting from your neck till your tailbone, and that also improves your abdominal area. From here, we will do Bhujangasana. Lie completely on your stomach. Legs are stretched. Hands next to your chest. Elbow folding. Inhaling, look up. Stay there for a second for a breath and exhale and down. Inhale and look up again. Fold your elbows and rest your palm next to your chest, elbow hugging your body. Maintain the posture and exhale and down. Next is Shalabhasana. Rest your full body grounded, arm resting by your side. Raise the one leg straight in front. No knee folded. Exhale and down. Raise the other leg straight up. And exhale and put your legs down. Practice one more time with the right leg first and then left. And slowly and gently, if you can, then we'll practice with both the legs. Have a breathe and exhale and put your legs down on the floor. Now, the next posture is Dhanurasana. Fold both your legs from the knee and hold the ankle, and inhaling, come up into the bow posture. Maintain the position and exhale and down on the floor. Your complete focus over your core area. Inhale and up, arch your back, look up with breathing. Exhale and down. Slowly and gently release your leg and turn over your back. Fold both your knees and hug your legs. Make your spine totally grounded and comfortable here. If you need, go side to side and roll your back little and give relaxation over your side. Now the next is bridge pose. Keep the heel as close to your hips possible and hands by your side. Slowly with breathing, inhaling, put your chest, thighs and hips towards the ceiling. Come back. Again, repeat the same. Take it as up as possible and slowly put it down back. Now fold your knees and hug again. Release the pressure on your back. Take straight into 90-degree up and stay there for some breaths. From here, we will go for some twisting of our spine. Bend your knees and put sole on the ground. Feet are hip distance apart. Or maybe you can more also. Put your hands over your head and take both the legs towards the right side and look at the left side. Give a gentle twist to your spine and come back. Exhaling, twist to the other side. Stay there with normal breathing. Inhaling, come back. And exhaling, repeat. Here, take both the feet and knees together and twist towards the right side. Look at the left side. Come back and exhaling to twist towards the left side. Look at the right side. Come back. Repeat the same with exhaling and inhale, come back. Exhale, twist and inhale, come back to the position. Open your legs and rest here. These are some of the asanas can actually help in relieving and strengthening our back muscles and also abdominal area. Fold both your knees and put one hand on the stomach, other over your heart and rest here. Always remember, do listen to your body. Yoga is a journey that doesn't happen overnight. By practicing it within our limits, we can avoid injuries.
Spine health is directly or indirectly connected to our overall health and overall system of our body. So make sure you always have a good health of our spine. Practice this asanas, practice this postures every single day, at least for 30 minutes or 35 minutes a day. So that will help you to improve upon your health and overall health of your spine. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do comment in the comment section below if you have any concern or if you have any questions.